Hi everyone, this is Natasha and this is the fourth video of our chakra series. So we're moving on to the heart, feeling into your beautiful heart in this moment. What does it need? What does it need? What can you give it in this moment? Does it need to release anything? Does it need to receive anything? In order to feel whole, in order to feel that it can open, that it can expand, that it can share its beautiful nectar. So feel free to put your hands on your heart, to close your eyes during this short journey of reconnecting with your heart space. So which boundaries does it need in order to feel safe, and which protective layers can you let go of that are not serving you? Hi, whoa, whoa, ma ye pa ye molanu ni ye wa when I mai mukaye la tula muni baebo shikatakata tuka tutata tuta tikanate tuta shik kutakatuta ah titatutakata tikatakata Iamanenule kulepaditun Evmabu mabu bei zalindai Maya paya pulitirutai Kamaye yuwa Salu madu badu pai Kirumadu ai Vau mabu badu dai Vai pati kulalo